Alright, hi, I'm at Dollywood. I'm gonna try Steel Lightning Rod for the first time if it's open now. Can't see anything. Whatever. But yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. There it is. See if it's running or not. Look at that. I'm gonna wait in the regular line first. It's still 9:25 or something. So yeah. Yo. So Steel Lightning Rod needs to warm up a little. It's in the morning. It's still extremely fast. It's slightly smoother. It wasn't rough before, but it's slightly smoother. That wave turn was insane. Like, I was in row 6. I can tell it's better in the front because the drop was still good. Still just as good. So it's definitely better towards the front. But it does need to warm up slightly, but it's still number 1. And can't really judge something off the morning ride. So, but that wave turn was way better than I remember. And that was one of the best moments on the ride. So yeah, I'll see you when I get on Mystery Mine in a little bit to tell you what I think about that new layout. There's new Mystery Mine. I'm gonna give this a try, see how it compares to old Mystery Mine. See how it is. Alright, I did new Mystery Mine, and the change itself didn't really affect the ride at all. I kept my head forward this time though, so it was much better. I like it a lot more. Yeah, the change itself doesn't have anything to do with why I like it more. So, yeah, this video shouldn't be too long. I'll update you next time about when we get to Cinnamon Bread. But Thunderhead was also really good in row 5. Towards the front is where it's at. So, I like that a lot more too. Alright, here's Cinnamon Bread. I'll show you eating it, then I'll end the video off there, so see you in a second. Look at that. Very warm. Here. Alright. Alright, I'll see you in a couple days at Six Flags Over Georgia. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you later.